Hi viewers, I'm Nadeem. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Farooq Academy. Today we will discuss chapter number 7, exercise 7C, book D2, volume and surface area. This exercise is divided into 3 parts. Part number 1 we have completed. So today we will discuss part number 2 and so on. So starting from question number 14. Find the volume and surface area of the following solids. Take pi to be 3.142. So the given figure is in A part like this. You can see this height is 10 centimeter and the radius is 7 centimeter, that is R, and the figure is like this, that you have a hemisphere upon it. So you can see here, so that is your hemisphere and a cylinder. So the height from this, total height is, that is equal to 17 centimeter. So in A part we have to find the volume and surface area. So it is clear from the figure that is the radius is 7 centimeter. So it means volume of hemisphere. First of all we have to find the volume of hemisphere, then volume of a cylinder, then we add both the shapes, so you will get the total volume of the given figure. So since volume of hemisphere, we have a formula that is half 4 pi 4 by 3 pi r cube. So putting the values, that is after simplification you will get 2 2s are 4, that is 2 by 3 pi r cube. So putting the values, that is 2 by 3, the value of pi is 3.142 and the radius is 7 cube. So after simplification you will get 718.47 centimeter cube. Now volume of cylinder, that is equal to pi r square h. So the value of pi is 3.142, the r value, and the value of h is that is equal to 10. Height is 10. So after simplification you will get 153,958. The confusing point is, how can I get the value of 10? Because if you have the height here, that is 17 centimeter, so it means you have to subtract the height of from total height. So therefore, as you can see, the how can I get the h value, that is h is equal to 17 minus 7, you will get 10, because total height is 17, but I am going to calculate the volume of a cylinder. So the cylinder height is, so I have to subtract this, because it is your hemisphere, that is your also 7 centimeter. So that is your also 7 centimeter, because it is a circle. So in circle the radius having same values, so it means 17 minus 7, you will get 10. So height is 10, so that's why I have used here 10. So that is your centimeter cube, that is the volume of a cylinder. So first of all, volume of a hemisphere, then volume of a cylinder. So the total volume of a solid you have to add. So total volume, therefore total volume will be equal to, you have to just add both the values. So total values, now total volume of solid or given figure, that is equal to, you have to add 718.47 plus 1539.58, so you will get 2258.05. So R 2258 centimeter cube is your required total volume of the given solid. Now we have to find surface area of the given figure also. Now surface area in B part, no, in the same part, that is A part, because in A part we have to calculate two things, that is R is equal to 7 centimeter. Now surface area of hemisphere. Now area of hemisphere is equal to half 4 pi r square. So you will get, putting the values, 2 2s are 4, after simplification you will get 2 pi r square. So the value of 2 is 3.142 and the value of r is 7. So after simplification you will get 307.916 centimeter square. So that is your area of hemisphere. Now area of cylinder. So in cylinder we have two cases, that is the base area of a cylinder and curved surface area of a cylinder. Base area of a cylinder and curved surface area of a cylinder. So first of all we have to find the base area of a cylinder, and that is or if I would like to say that the separately it will be easy, that is if you would like to find the total surface area. So now to solve simultaneously, that is total surface area of cylinder, that is equal to pi r square plus 2 pi r h, that is the total surface area of a cylinder, pi r square plus 2 pi r h. So putting the values, it is your formula to find, because in total surface area we have to find the base area and curved surface area, So putting the values, after simplification you will get that is the value of pi is 3.142 multiplied by the value of r is 7 square plus 2, the value of 3.142 7, and the value of height is 10. So after simplification you will get, that is 154 plus 439.88. so the total area will be equal to 439.88, that is after simplification, that is 154, and base area of a cylinder and curved surface area of a cylinder, that is 439. So the total surface area will be equal to, so after adding 154 and 439, which is equal to, that is by using calculator you can add it. So after addition you will get the that is equal to, by using calculator, 439.88 plus 154, you will get 593.88. So that is your total surface area of a cylinder. So in first phase, that is you have calculated the surface area of hemisphere and total surface area of a cylinder. So area of a cylinder is comprises with two parts, that is area of base and curved surface area of cylinder. So that's why we have get the total surface area of a cylinder. Now we need the total surface area of the full fig, total surface area of the full fig. So you should add it. So total surface area of the full fig, because this fig having hemisphere and cylinder, so that's why you can say that the total are now total surface area of given solid or full fig, that is equal to, you have to add that is equal to area of hemisphere plus area of the total surface area of the cylinder. Total area of the cylinder we have removed here. Okay, once again that is equal to 154 plus 4 39.88, so you will get 593. So 593.88. so that is your surface area of cylinder. So by adding you will get the total surface area of a given figure solid in which hemisphere and cylinder is involved. So the exact result is 902 centimeters square. So that is your surface area of a given solid. Now in B portion, coming to the B portion, in B portion another fig is given to you. The given figure is like this. You can see one is cone and hemisphere is also hemisphere and cone. So you can see here the from this to this it is given, that is 28 centimeter, and that one is your 35 centimeter, and this one is 21 centimeter and full height. So you can see the radius, that is 21 centimeter. This one is also your 21 centimeter because radius is same. This one is also 21 centimeter. So it means this is your given figure, and we have to find the volume and surface area of the given figure by the similar method. That is the, you can see in B, that is R is 21 centimeter. So it means surface area of hemisphere, since first of all we have to find its volume of a hemisphere, so it will be better. That is volume of hemisphere, that is volume of hemisphere, that is equal to half 4 by 3 pi r square, that is volume, that is 4 by 3 pi r square, that is r cube. So putting the values of simplification, 2 by 3 pi r cube, 2 by 3, the value of pi is 142, the value of r is 21. So after simplification you will get 19398.71 centimeter cube. So it is the volume of hemisphere. Now volume of cone is now volume of cone, second figure is one cone. So volume of cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. So putting the values, so you will get the height is 28. It is given in your figure. So after simplification you will get 12932.47 centimeter cube. So this figure having two shapes, one is hemisphere, second is cone. We have found the volume of hemisphere, then volume of cone. So total volume of the given solid, so therefore total volume of solid, we have to just add both the values, that is 0.47 plus the 19,398.71, so it is equal to total result is 32,331 centimeter cube. So that is your required volume of given figure. So total volume of a solid. Now the surface area, we have to find also the surface area of the same figure. So the surface area you can see here. Now the surface area, now surface area of hemisphere, surface area of hemisphere, that is, we have a formula half 4 pi r square. So putting the values, 2 pi r square, so the value of r is 21. So after simplification you will get 2771.24 centimeter square. So now we have to find the another thing, that is cone. Now surface area of a cone. So surface area of a cone is, that is curved surface area of a cone. Now curved surface area of cone is equal to pi rl. So putting the values, cone having length, that is 35, it is given to us in figure. So you will get 2309.37 centimeters square. Therefore now total surface area of the given solid or given figure, total surface area of solid, that is full fig is, you have to add both the results, that is 2309.37 plus 2771.24. so you will get the total result, that is 5080.61 centimeter square. So that is your required result of the given figure. So I hope that it will be clear to you. Now coming to the question number 15. In question number 15, we have to find the capacity of a tank. So you can see the tank is like this, a cylinder and having a hemisphere also here. So the height, you can see the hemisphere and cylinder, the height is, that is equal to 16.5 meter, and diameter is that is D is equal to 4.7 meter. So first of all we have to find the volume of hemisphere, then volume of tank or cylinder. We have to add this and we get the capacity of a tank. So from the given figure it is clear that if diameter is 4.7, so what is its radius? So radius will be half, so r is equal to, you divide 4.7 by 2, so you will get after division you can say that that is 2.37. the value of r is 2.35, so that is your radius. So clear from the fig that is D is equal to 4.7 centimeter, so R is equal to 2.35 centimeter. So it means, so volume of hemisphere, since volume of hemisphere, that is we have a formula 1 by 2 4 by 3 pi r cube. So after simplification you will get 2 by 3 pi r cube. The value of pi is, and the value of r is, after simplification just you have calculated, the value of r is 2.35. so after simplification you will get 27.19 meter volume, that is cube. So the volume of hemisphere is this. Now volume of cylinder, that is pi r square h. Putting the values, the cylinder having r, that is equal to 2.35, and height is, you can see here as height is equal to 16.5 minus 2.35, you will get the height, that is 14.15 centimeter. So that is your height, because in your given figure you can see that total height, because you have to subtract this height, that is 2.35, because hemisphere we are not going to calculate hemisphere we have calculated. Now the cylinder, but total height is 16.5, so subtract this height, that is 2.35 from the total height, you will get the height of cylinder, so that's why 14.15. so you have to use this 14.15 here. That is we don't have enough space, that is the value of r is that is 2.35, having square height is 14.15. so after simplification you will get 245.6 centimeter cube. So that is the volume of cylinder. So the total capacity, total volume of the cylinder, total capacity means total volume, so it means total capacity is equal to, you have to just add these two quantities. After adding you will get the result, that is 272.8 meter cube. So that is your capacity, that is your volume, so that is your required result. Coming to the question number 16. In question number 16, read the statement, and then we are able to find that is question number 16. The diagram below shows a solid consisting of a cone and a cylinder common base. Find the volume of a solid. So it means you have to draw the configuration once again, because once again you have a cylinder, so it means you have to find the volume of cylinder simply. And the another thing is, that is you have a cone also, so you have to find the volume of cone also. So it means through in this way, this height is equal to, that is given, that is 30 centimeter, and the diameter is also given to you, that is 24 centimeter. So, and this one is your r. So r, the value of r is 24 divided by 2, you will get 12. So it means, but the total height is, that is also given, that is 46 centimeter. 46 centimeter. So it means we have to find the height of a cone also. So we have to find the volume of a solid, and if you read the statement in your textbook, it says that they leave your answer in terms of pi. One thing, the volume of a solid. Okay, the volume of a solid. First of all, we see in given figure, that is, one is cone, second is cylinder. First we have to find the volume of cylinder, or then we have to find the volume of cone, and simply we add, so we will get the total volume of a given solid or given full fig. So this fig having two shapes. So calculate or start calculating, that is, find the volume of cone. That is, if we see the cone, so since volume of cone is equal to, we have a formula 1 by 3 pi r square h. So 1 by 3 pi, the value of pi is, but we have been asked that no need to simplify pi. Okay, and the cone having r, that is equal to 12, and height, having height, how can we find the height of a cone? H for cone, that is total height is 46 minus height of a cylinder, that is 30, you will get the height of a cone, that is equal to so subtracted 6 and 1, that is 16. So 16 centimeter is your height. So putting the values 16, so after simplification you will get 768 pi centimeter cube. So that is the volume of a cone. Now volume of a cylinder. Now volume of cylinder. Volume of cylinder is equal to, that is, you have a formula, that is pi r square h. The value of pi we don't want to put here, because in this question we are bound that we don't want to put the values of pi here. So the r is 12 and the height is 30. So in case of cylinder, so you will get 4320 pi centimeter cube. So the total fig of therefore total volume, so total volume of solid, we have to add both, that is 4320 pi plus 768 pi. So you will get 5088 pi, so centimeter cube. So that is your volume. So that is your required result. Now the same question, but we have to find the area of the given figure. Now area of the given figure area. Now we have to find the area. Surface area of the given figure. Figure is very much important in each and every question. Figure is very much important. Without figure we cannot do anything. Now the total surface area, if we see that we have a cone and cylinder, so we can find the area of a cylinder. Total area of a cylinder, we are well familiar, we have a formula. So but when we find the area of a cone, we don't have L here, we don't have L. So we have to find the value of L, then we are able to find the area of a cone. So we say that because in formula we have curved surface area of cone pi r L, but we don't have L. So since we say that surface area of cone, since surface curved surface, because it is very much important, curved surface area of cone, that is equal to pi r L, but we don't have L here. So the value of pi, we don't want to put the values of pi, and the value of r is 12, and the value of L is that is 20. So after simplification you will get 240 pi. Now how can we find the value of L? Because we have used here 20, because we know that as L is equal to h square plus r square under root, we have this formula for slant height. For slant height, so that's why that is 16 square, and the value of r is, so the under root, so the L is, after simplification, the L is 20 centimeter. So that L we have used here, that L is we have used here. Okay, now the curved surface area of a cone is 240 pi centimeter square. Now we have to find the surface area of a cylinder. Now surface area of a cylinder. Now surface area of cylinder, because surface area of a cylinder we have two portion for areas. So let we say that is the total surface area of a cylinder, because it comprises two shapes, that is cylinder having base area as well as curved surface area. So we have a formula that is pi r square plus 2 pi r h. So we have this formula in case of total surface area of a cylinder, pi r square plus 2 pi r h. Pi r square means base area of a cylinder, base area of a cylinder, and second thing is curved surface area of a cylinder, curved surface area of a cylinder, that is 2 pi r h. So putting the values, the value of pi, we are unable to put the values because we are bound to say that that is, so pi value of r is 12 square plus 2 pi, the value of r is again 12, and h we have calculated, that is equal to 16. So that is the cylinder having height, this one is your cylinder height, that is 30, that is your cylinder height, so that is your 30. So put here 30. So here you will get that is 144 pi, plus here you will get 720 pi. So after adding you will get, that is equal to what, that is 720 plus 720 plus 144, you will get 864 pi, 864 pi surface area, that is centimeter square. So that is the surface area of a cylinder. Why we use total surface area? Because cylinder have two surfaces, that is one is base area, second is curved surface area. So total surface pi r square plus 2 pi r h. So we have calculated the surface area of a cylinder. So initially we have calculated the surface area of cone. Both you should add it, you will get the total surface area of the given fig. So now total surface area of the given fig, that is 24 centimeter. Now total surface area of solid, that is full fig, which is equal to One is just you have calculated initially, that is we have removed it, the that is one is surface area of a cone 240 pi plus that is 864 pi. So after adding you will get 1104 pi centimeter square. So that is your total surface area of the given solid or given fig. So that is your required result. Now coming to the question number 17. Once again another fig is given to you. That is question number 17. Now the figure is, one is cone and the second one is your hemisphere, that is semisphere. Hemisphere like this you can see. So total height is up to here and here, that is given to you, that is 50 centimeter, and this one is your, that is 30 centimeter. So we have to find the volume of the solid. Solid mean volume of the given figure, that is your, one is cone, second is hemisphere. So volume, so it means it is clear from the fig, you should understand it. We have to find the volume. So volume mean volume of cone, volume of hemisphere, and add it, you will get the total volume. So volume of cone, since volume of cone, we have a formula that is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. So putting the values, the value of pi is 3.142 and the value of r is, if you have a diameter, that is, you can see here, that is d is equal to 30. So what is the value of r? 30 by 2, so you will get 15 centimeter. So 15 is your radius, and height is, you can see the height of a cone, so it should be subtracted. Height of a cone, it should be subtracted, because this radius r is equal to this, because in hemisphere or semisphere the radius is same. So it means how can you find the height? That is your, as height h, that is for cone, we are going to calculate the value for cone. So you can see that for cone is height, that is 50 minus the value of r is 15, that is 15. So h is 35. So that's why we use 35 here, that is in formula, that is 35. So after simplification you will get 8250 centimeter cube. So that is your volume of a cone. Now we have to find the volume of a hemisphere. Now volume of hemisphere, is half 4 by 3 pi r cube. So after simplification, 2 by 3 pi r cube. Putting the values, the value of pi is 142, the value of r is 15. After simplification you will get 7071.4 centimeter cube. So that is your volume of hemisphere. Now the total volume of the given solid, So it means total volume of the given solid. You should add both the values. So that is total. Now to find the total, therefore total volume of solid or given figure, that is you should add it the volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere 7071.4. So after adding you will get 15321.4 centimeter cube. So that is your required answer, total volume of the given solid. So now we have to find the total surface area of the given fig, that is your A part. In B part we have to find, now coming to the B part, in B part we have been asked that we have to find the surface area by the same methodology. Surface area of cone plus surface area of hemisphere, you should add it and you will get the total surface area of the given solid or given figure or full fig. So it means now to find the surface area of hemisphere, since surface area of hemisphere means the formula is half 4 pi r square. So after simplification you will get 2 pi r square, putting the values. So the value of r is 15. So after simplification you will get 1413.3 centimeter square. So that is the surface area of hemisphere. Now surface area of cone. Now surface area of cone is equal to, we have a formula, surface area of cone, that is pi rl. The value of pi is 3.142 and r is 15, but we don't have the value of l. So what should we do? So first we have to find the value of l. As for cone, L is equal to h square plus r square. We have this formula. The h is 35 square, r is 15 square under root, and the value of L is, after simplification you will get 38.1 centimeters. So that is your L you should use here. So 38.1. So after simplification, after putting the values, you will get 1796.1 centimeter square. So that is your surface area of cone. Now initially we have find the surface area of hemisphere, then cone, and total surface area you should divide. Therefore total surface area of solid or given fig, full fig, you have to add 1796.1 plus 1414, that is after multiplication you will get 1314.3. So you will get the value is 3210.4 centimeter square. So that is your required total surface area of the given solid. So I hope that it will be very much helpful to you. So we have completed part 2 of exercise 7C. So thanks a lot. Thank you for watching.